In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a timer in Google Slides and customize it. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you have all the tools necessary to implement this feature seamlessly. Adding a timer to your presentation can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're conducting a timed activity or want to keep your presentation running smoothly without overrunning your allocated time. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Google Slides. You can access it by opening your web browser and typing Google Slides into the search bar. Once you're on the main Google Slides page, make sure you're signed into your Google account. You'll see your Google account icon in the top right corner of the page. If you're not signed in, go ahead and do that now. The next step is to go to the Google Slides homepage. From here you have the option to start a new presentation. You can either create a new blank presentation by clicking on blank presentation, or you can select a template. Templates can give you a head start with design and organization, so choose whichever option suits your needs best. Once your presentation is ready, it's time to add a timer. To do this, you'll need to add an extension from the Chrome Web Store. Start by heading over to your preferred web search engine and search for Slide Timer extension. In the search results, you should see an option for Slides Timer in the Chrome Web Store. Click on that link to proceed. Now you're on the Slides Timer extension page within the Chrome Web Store. On this page you'll find an Add to Chrome button. Click on that and a pop-up window will ask if you want to add the extension. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. This will download and install the timer extension to your browser. Once the extension is installed, navigate back to your Google Slides presentation. You'll now have the ability to add a timer to your slides. Typically, the extension will provide an icon or an option in your toolbar that allows you to insert the timer directly into your slide. You can customize the timer's duration, appearance, and location to fit your slide's design. Play around with the settings until you get exactly what you need. By following these steps, you've successfully added a timer to your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're conducting a quiz, leading a workout class, or simply keeping track of presentation time, this tool will be invaluable in keeping your session on track and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.